Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So let us proceed. So we have word processing skills. First is getting to know the word processing. So what is a word processor? So when you say a word processor, it is a type of software that enables the users to create, edit, and format text using various tools. So word processors, it enables users to produce documents that consist of text and graphics. It is widely used in different kinds of industries. For example, so I know that nakasuway na mo inani na sa Microsoft Word or sa Google Docs. Kana maghimo mo mag-create mo kanang inyong kuan projects, mga outputs ato sa Microsoft Word or research. Siya. It is an example of word processing software. So aside from a computer or laptop, we can also use these word processors with our mobile devices. So since high-tech na, nag-high-tech ng technology, we can also use Microsoft Word or PowerPoint in our mobile devices, cell phone, tablets, aside from computers or laptop. So word processing skills, a various typing task requires us to be adept at producing text efficiently depending on its purpose. So we have basic word processing skills. First, we have keyboard and user interface familiarization, typing speed and accuracy, page layouting, text formatting, and inserting objects. So tip, word processing software has varied features. So frequent practice will develop familiarization and understanding. So when you see so sa word processor, kaninga symbol, we have insert. It add objects such as tables, images, and shape. Kung ganan ka mo naka-insert nga table, image, and shape, kaninga symbol imong i-click sa Microsoft Word, then insert ang to, gana. Then kani nga symbol nga X, delete na siya. Removes text or object from the document. Then kani siya, gunting ang symbol is cut. It deletes using data from the page and keeps it on the clipboard. Then kani nga symbol, kita niyo sa kuan Word. So we have copy or it keeps data on the clipboard. Or we have control C. Control copy. See. Then paste is places places copy data on choosing field. So pwede sa control V, paste ninyo ang inyong kanang kuan data nga yung gikuan or information. Then page sit up, so it sets the layout of the entire document. Nani nga symbol. Then this one, kaning murag search button, kita man find ang tawagan niya, tool to search for a string of text and to provide an option to replace it with another. So we also have the word drop. Word drop, it formats the alignment of your text and objects. We also have this one, print, produces a hard copy of the document when connected to a printer. Then this one, file, lets the user manage the document using functions such as save, print, and open. So we also have font. Font allows the users to personalize the style and size of the text. Then Windows permits multiple screens for users to work on. Then this one, a symbol spell check, prompts the users for words spelled differently from the built-in dictionary. So remember, some word processors offers tools that are way behind the standard features to cater to experienced users. And we also have grammar check. It prompts the users for sentence construction that does not meet the grammar rules set by the software. So ganan kanang maghimutag ka ng kuan natay buhaton, you need to check grammar basig so naay grammar check. Pwede na siya. Footnotes is provides further information about the document. Nakailista dito footnotes. Then automated list adds numbering or bullets to your list of text. So you also have graphics, allows the users to insert objects such as diagrams, images, or shapes. We also have this one, a symbol, header and footer. Permits customization of the top and bottom part of the document page. Next is paragraph layout. Adjust the indentation and spacing of paragraph. So this one, a symbol, macros, allows the users to automate templates or patterns for your document. Then we also have mill merge, lets the user send out letters or documents in bulk to different recipients. Next is table of contents and index, kaning a symbol, list topics included in the document. We also have Thesaurus. It is a built-in synonym provider. We also have next, collaboration, allows multiple editors to access the document online. Masabtan man nato ng ang meaning kay because it's simple raman. Internet features, it provides links to external sources via internet. Next, translation and speech. It is a voice commands, text reading, and translation. Okay. That is the... Okay, next is character and paragraph formatting. So the context of a text can be derived from its arrangement. A text needs to be enhanced with tools of creativity. The difference between a word processor from a text editor is a word processor's customization features that allow manipulation of your work. Remember, formatting capability varies depending on the software or its versions available. Microsoft Word is the most commonly used word processor software. Yes, mo man yung pinaka-kasagaran nga ang Microsoft Word because for making assignments, project, research, imagine siya Word. Ari man ta mag-type. Formatting in a word processor. Formatting a document is vital in delivering content to readers. Following rules on writing and designing on the proper structure results in the clarity and effectiveness of the message. So this one, character formatting, refers to the application of the properties or attributes into single characters or units without affecting the whole paragraph. Kani formatting, as you can see in the figure. Arial, kaning Arial diri mo ni pili taon sa iyang font text, kaning 12 pila yung gidak-on, kining A is kung nagyapon kung diretso ra ka padak-on ng A, pagamyo yung mga text, B bold, imong i-bold, i-highlight kayo, i-colored ka nga black kayo, I italic, mga nagmihiwi, and U is na-underline ang text. Okay? Then so on and so on. Ako na siyang ikuan one by one. So there, okay, font face, tara, a drop down to change the font style. Example, Arial, Calibri times yung Roman. Yung mga font sa as akong gingon ganiha. Kung unsay ganahan nga te unang font style atong gamiton. Ikatong nga dako gingagamay na increase decrease font size, click kanang ganahan ka diretso ra nimo click, automatic man na siya padak-an pagami ana og dili ka mogamit aning 12. AA is changing case, a drop down for option for correcting casing. Kani nga symbol, clear or formatting, clickable that removes formatting properties. Font style, itong yun ganiya, bold, italic, underlines, strike draw, kaning ABC strike draw na siya, kaning X over, kaning X then 2, superscript na siya, kaning X subscript. Next is kaning A nga na more colored is text effects and typography ang tawag ana, drop down that provides a range of text customization. This one, AB then a color yellow, text highlighted color, a drop down for text highlighted colors. Kaning A then red, font color, drop down of font color options. So these are the character formatting. Example, this one. Simply click on the dialog box launcher to access the font tab. It will show all the options for character formatting. Click ra nimo ang kanang font tab, mo ni magawas pili ra kani. The font tab displays a dialog box similar to the default font options. The advanced tab provides modifications for character spacing and open type features. As you can see in the figure, mo na siya. Character spacing permits specific modifications to the scale, spacing, positioning, and kerning per character unit or set. Ka na makita yun sa ibabaw na character spacing. Pila yung scale, spacing niya, normal, position, normal. And open type features allows better support for different languages or glyph characters. So next is paragraph formatting, refers to the application of properties or attributes into a paragraph into a document. So muna siyang tawag niya. Kanang nasa ibabaw, makita niyo dyan automated list na kanang dot, number, drop downs for the bullet, numbering, multi-level list. Then ikadua, anong arrow right, arrow left is decrease, increase indent. Clickable to increase or decrease indentation. A to Z class mo na sort kananganan kang ikuan sort nimo at clickable text blocks or sorting bus option isunod from A to Z or Z to A. Show and hide is clickable which shows highs paragraph marks or the page. This one kaning first nga makita ninyo align na siya, align left. Clickable for options for left, center, right or justified. Kanang nasa kinaunhan align left na ikaduha, align center, kanang ikatulo align right, yan ikaapat is justify. Okay? Then line and paragraph spacing, kanang arrow right, nakita mo arrow dia right, arrow down, arrow up, arrow down, a drop down for vertical paragraph spacing option. Pilay mong ganan nga spacing nila kanang sa gilayon sa mga text. The next, shading and border, drop down for shading color and border options for text, paragraph or table. So this one example, simply click on the dialog box launcher to access the paragraph tab. It will show all the options for paragraph formatting. This one. The indents and the spacing tab is similar to the default paragraph options. The line and page break tab provides changes for pagination, formatting exceptions, and text box. So pagination sets up the page number of your document. Then text options provide wrapping edits to the presence of text box in the document. And next is inserting and manipulating graphics. So an image or along with text class is a good way to communicate to your audience so that they see your point. So that maron mas masabtan, mas maingan niyo ang mga mamabasa kapag tangan na to siya image na i-text kay kung image rasad ma-misinterpret man sa uban, sayop alayin ng pasabot, may na-image na say text. So and yet, an image without a word, as I said earlier, can be misinterpreted. Thus, they are more effective together. Dapat na ang duha ang image o ang text. So graphics are important medium of expression. It pertains to photos, illustrations, shapes, or object. Kanahan ka insert ba? Kanahan ka misure graphics. Photos ba, illustration, shape, or object. Visuals are often used in different facets of life, whether personal, academic, or professional. The ability to manipulate graphics in a word processor serves several purposes: to educate, to inform, to promote, to advertise, and to entertain. So inserting and manipulating graphs in MS Word. So Microsoft Word is the most accessible and known software for the word processing. Yes, muna siya, as what I said earlier, muna yung kasagaran, most nga gamit dyan sa mga tao. Siya kalaron online, so mga projects, outputs, mga research is through online. Magbuhat dyan through Microsoft Word, mag-type. Or using your cell phones, or tablets, or smartphones. We will be using it to illustrate the steps. So, next is we have picture. Kaning first, insert picture from computer from another connected device. So, pili ra ka ana. Kani kadua, clip art. Insert pre-installed rasterized or vector image for verse 2010 and lower 2030. Use a plugin called Picket. Clip art. Online pictures. Kaning nasa ikaduha nga box. Insert external photos from the internet without using another browser. And shape, kani ikatulo. Insert pre-installed integrated shape from a wide side. Ganahan ka rectangle, square, oblong, or you can choose any shape. Then smart art, ikaapat, nasa table. Nababaw, insert pre-made presentation graphics as chart and graphs used for qualitative data. Next chart is insert pre-made presentation graphs as pie and bar graph using for quantitative data. Essentially, magamit siya for research kanang or na kay mga magimo kag mga graph chart itong i-insert. Screenshot, use screenshot or screen clippings of any active windows available on your desktop. This one, makita niyo diha, ginaikuan diha. Picture tools. It is a formatting tab for inserted images. Ano makita niyo sa ibabaw? As you can see in the ababaw na kaning na arrow nga red, then picture tools, then format. Then remove background, used to delete unwanted part of the image. Correction, offers photo enhancements such as brightness, contrast, or sharpness. Color is changes the saturation tone or hue of the image. Artistic effects turns the photo similar into sketch or painting. Ikatulo, kanina picture border, picture effects, picture layout. Compress pictures, reduce the size of the image. Change picture, replacing, makita niyo na arrow, unong arrow diha, muna yung gamit. Change picture, replace the current image in document. Reset picture, removes all formatting done to the picture. Then, next is picture border, adds a editable outline to the image. Then picture effect, add visual effects on the photo. And picture layout turns image into smart art. So, position, makita niyo yung arrow na position na wrap text. Position class selects where the image will be positioned on the page. Wrap text selects how the text will be aligned with the image. Bring forward, place the image in front of another object. Send backward, place the image behind another object. Selection pane shows and organizes a list of inserted images. Align, siya, enables modification of positioning of the images. Align to the left, align to the right. Group is binds multiple images together into single image. Group, iusa ra siya as one. Rotate, image can be rotated or flipped. Crop is cut or trim portions of the image. So for effective image content, just if possible, choose a good quality photo that is appropriate for your text. Then make sure that your image is copyright free or properly credited. Then make adjustments only if necessary. So drawing tools allows altercation with shapes or object. Kaya makita niyo sa ibabaw arrow diya red, kinababuan drawing tools, then format. Edit shape is change the shape of the current object. Draw text box, create a box that enables text typing in shift fill, adds color within the shape. Shape outline enables editing of the borderline of the shape. Then shape effects, add visual effects on the shape. Then next is makita niyo ng text direction changes the orientation of the text in an object. Align text change the alignment of the text inside the shape. Create link is inserts link from a shape to another. Position is select position of object on the page. Then wrap text is selects how the text will be aligned with the shape. Bring forward is places the shape in front of another object. Send backward is places the shape behind another object. Selection pane is shows and organizes a list of inserted shapes. Align is enables modification of the positioning of the shapes. Group is behind multiple shapes together into a single shape. Rotate, single shape. Then rotate is rotates or lift shape. Then size is changes the numerical size of the shapes with width and height. Okay, we also have the smart art. So the smart art, we have list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship matrix, pyramid, picture. Ang list is used for non-sequential or group data. Process used to show sequence or flow. Cycle used to show continuing sequence. Hierarchy used for stratified presentation. Then relationship is used to bond between data. Then matrix used a part of the whole. Then pyramid used to show proportions of data. Then picture used to show photographic idea. Okay. We also have column, show data based on horizontal and vertical values. Line, illustrate points of data based on horizontal and vertical. Pie, show proportion in slices. Bar, compare data in blocks. Area, illustrate change of data throughout the time. XY scatter, illustrate points in a wide range of values. Stack, show shapes of stack data. And surface shows the same range of values of an area and shows the plot of multiple values. Combines two types of chart. So tip class, so when using smart art or chart, make sure that you know your data well in order to use the appropriate object. Okay? In the last, we have mail merge and label generation. So, have you ever wanted to send digital greeting cards or letters to your family, members, or friends? Okay. So, kasuway na siguro ang uban ani, ang uban wala. So, technology has offered people diverse ways to communicate creatively and produce efficiently in the simplest manner. Yes, as you know, ko ng generation, nagka-improve ang technology, nagka-improve sa dang how we communicate to other people. So how do we define mail merge? Okay, mail merge is a powerful tool that combines customized documents with another file from a data source. Mail merge, it can be to the Quantia class with labels, tags, certificates, emails, directories, letters, or envelopes. So, muna siya mga mail merge. Pwede na inaasa na. Then, two parts of mail merge are main document and recipient list. The main document, as the name suggests, it refers to the content or the template of the mail. Main, kung say content sud niya. Ang recipient list is refers to the data source or record of names, address, and selected information that can be customized by the user. This one, makita niyo diya, creating recipient list kana. Start mail merge. Kita ni start mail merge. Then select dayon kinsa imong mga recipient yung tagaan. Click the mailing tabs. Then on the mailing ribbon, click select recipients. There are two usual options. One is type new list or two option to existing list. Kani. Fill in the details on the row and click new entry to other recipients. You may also customize the column values. So what imong ngalan niya, first name, last name, kabani address sa imong padalhan. Pre ani example ani. Open Excel, then type in your preferred values in the first row and your recipients details in the exact succeeding rows, then save the document. So would you recommend mails to your friends? Why or why not? So next is launch the mail merge wizard. So click start mail merge on the mailing ribbon and select mail merge wizard. A column box will appear on the right side of the screen with a step-by-step guide. Then select the document type that you will be using. So document types, we have letters, email, envelopes or labels, directory. Letters is customized greetings. Email is a word to email content. Envelopes or labels similar to a stamp indicating names and address from the recipient's list. Then directory is served as a contact list. Then create your template or main document. Select your recipient from the previous step. Then select the insert fields that you want to place in your document. Then preview your letter. Then make necessary changes. Then print your document. Tip, so conceptualize your desired output first, then be sure to gather needed information and have a layout in mind before mail merging. Labels are used on envelopes together with the document created during the mail merge. It may also be used for different things such as name tags or gift tags. So choose between envelope or label. Option 1, you will have to format your label according to your preference. Option 2, you will use template from different label vendors. Then you may include text or graphics in your label as your customization. And add the information or fields that you wish to include from your recipient list. Then set the proper print properties before printing the labels to avoid making a mistake. Okay.